Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for an undisclosed person in an undisclosed location on the Stryker SR-655HP. And if you're watching this, you know who you are, and you know this is your radio. Let's just get right to it. Standard tune alignment, 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 20 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 47, 48. 100 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. About 97 watts PEP. Alrighty, it's headed to the Hoosier State from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.